Hi everyone, today we are discussing 15 simple ways to lose weight in just 2 weeks. Losing weight isn't always about strict diets and exhausting workouts. There are many tricks that can help you lose weight in just 2 weeks. In today's video we're going to share with you 15 tips that can help you get rid of excess belly fat. Most people don't even know about these tricks, and I hope that together, which means you and I, can inform a lot of people by sharing this video, because many of our dear compatriots get incurable diseases due to being overweight, but you can prevent it simply by sending this video to your friends and family and they to theirs. Let's get to 15 ways of losing weight. Before we get started, as usual, everything I suggest to you has scientific basis, so make sure to stay with me until the end of this video, because the closer I get to number 1, the more interesting the tricks become. Number 15. Avoid sugary drinks. It has been proven that drinking sugary beverages contributes to being overweight and obese. I know that cola and sandwich are delicious companions, but if you want to get rid of fat you have to put these drinks aside. This does not only include cola. Factory juices are all full of sugar. Just think about the amount of their sweetness when you're drinking one. Or put them aside and try them again after a while, then you can easily realize the amount of sweetness by tasting it and understand what poison you drink every day. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe now to find the answers to many of your medical questions on my page for free. Number 14. Drink green tea. Drinking green tea may help to lose weight because it's loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which enhances its fat burning capabilities. Number 13. Hide unhealthy foods. Apply this rule to all unhealthy foods in your home: out of sight, out of mind. You crave unhealthy snacks more when they're within your reach. Brush your teeth more often. You may think what it has to do with brushing teeth. So let me tell you, brushing doesn't only clean your teeth. Toothpaste removes leftover food from your mouth and it stops communicating with our receptors. Our brain receives a signal that says meal is over. Number 11. Laughs more. This isn't a joke, since laughter uses about the same amount of energy as walking, since it involves different muscles, especially abdominal ones. 10 to 15 minutes of laughter a day can burn 10 to 40 calories, so watch more comedy shows. Number 10. Drink more water. Drinking enough water speeds up the fat burning process. By drinking at least 8 glasses of water, your metabolism becomes 30% faster and more efficient. Scientists claim that increasing the water intake by 1.5 liters per day, a person can burn around 17,400 calories per year. This is more than 2 kilograms weight loss only by drinking water. Number 9. Follow the 2-minute rule. It requires a 2-minute intense workout every day. Hard exercise for 2 minutes during the workout increases the metabolism. For example, speeding up while on a treadmill or riding a bike, or running on a treadmill. If you have not hit the like button yet, make sure to like it now. By doing this you help many people to access this video and reduce their illness and pain. Number 7. The bright blue light of electronic displays. If you use your cell phone before going to bed, make sure to use the blue light filter. Researchers say you should not use a cell phone before going to bed because its intense light confuses the human brain, and this light stops the production of melatonin hormone that makes you feel drowsy. Our metabolism is completely related to the amount and quality of sleep, so reduce the amount of light emitted from the screen of your phone to improve sleep and metabolism. Number 6. Counting calories. Stop focusing on calories and pay more attention to the quality of the product you eat, since not all calories are equal. For example, a high-calorie burger can be harmful. Number 5. Room temperature. Temperatures in a room influence the fat layer that protects the body from freezing, so with the feeling of cold, fat burning begins to make more suitable energy to generate heat. In a study, several people in a room with different temperature, and the result is that naturally after 4 weeks of sleeping in a cool room, sufficient white fat has been lost from that person's abdomen. Number 4. Daytime sleep. Science proves that people burn less fat when they sleep during the day and are active at night because their biological clocks do not completely flip to fit their schedules. If you work night shift, I recommend reducing the number of calories you consume by 50 to 60. Number 3. Cheat day. Once a week, break a diet. Deliberately, cheat days are rather popular practice among amateur and professional athletes. This means you break your diet once a week. You're allowed to eat everything you want, even if these foods are banned from your diet. Research shows that people who have cheat days on their diets are more motivated to control their diet and are less likely to be tempted to eat bad food because they are hoping that one day in their diet they can eat their favorite food. Number 2. Get rid of stress. Stress slows down your metabolism. It surely happened to you while stressed out and tend to eat more, especially greasy and sweet foods. Consuming high-calorie products in stressful situations affect your metabolism and causes weight gain, so avoid binge eating at all costs when you're stressed. Number 1. Get plenty of sleep. A few more words about getting good sleep. A healthy 8 hours of sleep from 10 or 11 p.m. to 6 or 7 am contribute to great metabolism. Please pay attention to your sleep. Keep your 8 hours sleep. I promise you will have better day and your metabolism will increase, which make you lose belly fat. Do not forget to like this video, and you can send the link of this video to your friends and family to show that you care about their health. As you can see, there are other videos that you can enjoy watching them by just a click, and if you feel sick, write me your problem down below. A free diagnosis from me. A gift to you.